Welcome back to the Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from Coral Bay, and I got this beautiful Genevieve floor plan. It's 1,614 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double car garage. Okay, it does have also a flex room that will show you that maybe later on if you want a 3rd bedroom, maybe you could turn that into, after you purchase a home, you could do that. I don't think it'll be that hard. Okay, let's go ahead and move in. We're in. So you come in, we're walking with this long hallway. Over here, you got your laundry room. Here you got your total car garage. You have an entry closet here. Over here, this is your kitchen, dining, and living room. But first, let's do this room over here. This is your guest bathroom. Hi guys. Your tub. Tub is kind of deep. There, nice deep tub. Nice towel backsplash. Over here you have your AC. Nice big closet. I think the AC guy will love it because it has plenty of space to work on. And over here, you got a linen closet. It's just an extra closet here. So we're moving into bedroom number 1. Check it out. Nice. Nice decorated. Really like the decoration. Check out the closet here. Nice closet here. Okay. Let me tell you a little bit about Coral Bay location. It's in a very good location because you're close to downtown Fort Myers. You're close to Cape Coral. And you're not close, but you're in the way to go to Punta Gorda. I mean, it's probably 30 minutes from here. So it's in a really good location. You got supermarkets nearby. You got, everything that you need. And the only good thing is that, some people that like it a little slower, the area, it's not like you're gonna have a lot of traffic when you go on 41 or anything because it's not that heavy of a traffic area around here. So that's pretty good. So let me show you the kitchen. Check out this nice quartz island. Also, one thing that I noticed, they are putting the sink on the bottom now instead of putting it on the top. So that's a beautiful upgrade. I don't know if they're gonna be doing all over Cape Coral, but this community is already showing for you to, to see that they're doing that. A lot of people were talking about that. So I think they might be able to start changing them for the other areas, but right now Coral Bay will have that sink. I don't know about Cape Coral, maybe later on they'll probably start changing them. Okay, here you see your stainless steel appliances. This builder brings all the appliances and blinds except on the glass double doors over there. Okay, let me stand over here so you visualize. This is a pretty big spacious room here. And everything's right here, so it's nice. You had your dining room over here. Then over here you got your living room. And this was the room that I wanted to tell you about. This is the flex room. Okay, so you can make this into a private TV room or whatever you want to make it, exercise room, whatever you want. So you have a humongous pantry here. Check out the size of this pantry. Turn on the lights. Look at this. That's very nice. And here's the flex room. It's a pretty nice size, and it also has a closet, so I mean, you could actually maybe put a double door, or you could actually enclose it and put one door, and you can make this into a bedroom too. So here's the closet. If you're new to my channel and you would like to see videos about Southwest Florida, real estate and other things that I always put on, statistics and some new videos I'm going to start putting soon about the area. So if you want to, feel free, you can hit the subscribe button. And I try to post every week. I try to post at least 2 videos. Now I'm trying to move up to 3 videos because you guys are asking for more. So I'm planning to start maybe kind of going to try it out to see if I could do 3 videos a week. So that way you get more informed about what's going on here, okay? So also, I want to let you know that my wife and I have been selling real estate in Southwest Florida for over 20 years. So if you have a question on this home or any other home that are out there, feel free to contact us and we can help you out. We will help you find your dream home, okay? So check out the living room here, very nice, very elegant. Tell me what you think about the decoration, very nice. This is the type of blinds that you're gonna get, okay? Let me adjust my camera here a little bit. This is the blinds that you're gonna get. All the windows are gonna get blinds, so except the slider. See, that all comes with the house and the appliances. And the floor is all this nice tile floor, as you can see, blanks, and it's all throughout the house except in the bedrooms. Okay, now we're moving into the master bedroom. Stand over here in this corner so you can visualize the size. Very nice size. And bright, because it has a big window. Now we're gonna move into the master bedroom. Bathroom. It's been a long day. Okay, and the day just started, that's what's funny. Okay, here we go. Here you got your double sink with a nice large mirror. Over here you got a linen closet. Over here you got your walk-in closet. Very nice, big size. And over here you have your toilet closet. And over here you got your shower. Okay, let me move back because it's so tall. Forget, let's do it from the top. That's your shower here. And let me move around so you can see the cabinet from this side. Very nice big size cabinet. Nice large mirror. Tell me what you think. This unit is pretty nice. I really like it. I like the decoration. And I like you have that flex room there. If you really don't need a 3rd bedrooms, that flex room comes perfectly for a den, an office, a gym, whatever you want to make it. And out here, forgot one more thing. You got the lanai. Let me adjust my lens here so the brightness outside. Okay, you got all this. A lot of our clients, when they purchase these homes with a lanai like this without screen, they go ahead and enclose it. So it makes it a lot easier on the bugs. Check out the view of the canal. And right now it's kind of low because you can see the side of where the green is, that's where the water should be. But right now the rainy season starts this week, so that's gonna be like that for a couple more days and that's it. Season I think starts this week, so. Adjust my camera again. Yep, I'm back. Okay. So this is the first time I filmed this this floor plan. So, and I really like it. I really find it that it has everything that if you're planning like to move here just for a winter home, nice. If you're planning to retire here, nice. Also, if you're buying a home for the first time and you're trying to start, this is a good starter home. Very nice. If you would like to know more information about any incentives that the builder is giving and all that, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. There's always something that they're giving to help you purchase this beautiful property here. So. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you on the next one.